In St. Mary, a tragic case of jungle justice following the killing of a senior citizen in the community of Hampstead over the weekend. Upon discovering the victim's body, a mob in the community tied the suspected killer to a tree, beat him to death, and set his body on fire. The men have been identified as 79-year-old Charles Patterson and 55-year-old Winston Henry. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has the details.
It's a land dispute turned sour. That's the theory being discussed by the people of Hampstead who gathered in the community on Sunday lamenting the death of 79-year-old Charles Patterson.
Some people came up them take care of and of we land. So one day my father I got left. Even I got left. He all they could have wait for him till he dead then get the land if I hit them one.
They took a walk down memory lane, it seems, but not a very good one, as hours earlier gunshots echoed through the community. Residents claimed they heard gunshots on Friday night, but their checks didn't reveal anything. It was not until Sunday morning that Mr. Patterson's body was found.
This when I get the call now, I left out this morning and go up there. People in village, whole village have to say, come behind me. And at them, I don't know who find him, right? At the gate. At the gate, they find him. I know. I'm not going to look for my father. I couldn't look. I couldn't look.
The last time I see my stepfather, I'm not him reason still, and then give me some tobacco for smoke, for putting on my weed. You know? And he's a man I check for still, you know, I love him. And I told me then in the morning and get it on phone saying I'm dead, so we just reach over right away, you know.
The place which Charmaine Patterson spoke of is a section of Hampstead where her father lived. It is understood that the news of Mr. Patterson's death angered some residents who then accused a 55-year-old Winston Henry, with whom Mr. Patterson had a long-running land dispute, of killing him. An angry mob quickly gathered, tied up the accused, beat him and set him on fire.
I don't know how the killing go, but me here say them burn him still. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that still. So I say, tell you the truth, I feel it.
The police and the fire brigade responded, but were delayed because of the bad roads. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.